Here we go again. What's up, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's me, ryder Slasher here, back with another video, and today, episode 6 of Flood Escape 2. Once again. Now I had to do gaming videos for a while because my phone broke. Anyways, let's get on to it, shall we? Alright, let's do that level. Okay, guys, we're not gonna lose this time. I'm not gonna mess this up this time. We are gonna win. Okay, everyone. Let's see here. Alright. Here, no. Go on. I'll catch up. Okay. Now just go right there. Go right there. Okay. And then go right there. Uh-oh. Hut, 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 hut. Yes. Alright. Two noobs behind me. Nice. Sayonara. Blood. Now the water just turned red. Oh, man, I hate this tree part being in my way. Okay, let's. Alright. Hut. See, guys, I told you I'll catch up. I made it inside first. In your face. Come on, Mike. Alright. We are not gonna fail this time, everyone. We are gonna win. Okay. Whoa. Okay, everyone. Yeah. That's my new pose. Not my new pose. I just want to do this on my channel. Anyways, you gotta jump right there or else you're gonna do this. Boom, 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 boom. So yeah. So you won't be too late. Till the water turns blue, everyone. Have to do that or else you're gonna die. Okay. We're doing really good. Whoa, okay, that was a close one. Okay, we made it. Dang it. Didn't get out. Oh well. So I could just mess around all day. Alright. Come on, mate. There we go, mate. Ow. Alright, let's do Fallen. Alright, Fallen. Let's do this. Come on, everyone. We're gonna win this one, everyone. We are gonna win. That is the very end of it. Whee! Hut, hut. Whoa, that was a close one. I'm gonna take a couple steps back. Ah, just kidding. Let's just run. Ah, come on. Alright. Statue's gonna win. Wait, Ray right there? You? Wait, what? Ah, no! This guy just interrupted me. Oh, gosh. Wish that should go away. Had my hopes here for a sec. Come on. Oh. Alright. Now, let's pick Flood Island once again. Flood Island it is. Alright. Slide, dove, dive. Slide, dove, dive. I can't say it right. Slide, dive. There we go. Come on, come on. Yes. Fine, I'll go get one. I'm gonna go get it. Yeah, you go get it. I'll go get the other one. No, come on. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's go. Alright. Whoa. Oh no, I don't think I'm gonna make it. Well, let's see. Whoa. Nope. Can't make it. It's too fast for me. Alright, let's do this level. Alright. Alright. Alright, come on. We gotta wait for these guys. I don't make it. Better. You go get it. You go get it. Okay, good, 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 good. Let's go this way. This one's easier. That's easier. Just jump right there. It's easy. Don't be a scaredy kid. Yeah. Oh, never mind. Go jump. Yes, there you go. There you go. Uh, uh, uh. I'll go get the other button. Oh no! Whoa! Come on, go get. Okay. Alright. Whoa! I'm gonna take a couple steps back. Okay. Alright. Alright, I made it in. Good. Alright, I think that's it for this video, everyone. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time!